Hi guys. Hola. We're back. We're giving it to you guys. So we want to make sure that you guys get enough makeup and martinis in your life.
In your systems.
Yes.
I am beauty expert, aspiring actor, Rainbow Johnny, and this.
And I am celebrity makeup artist.
Say it again.
Celebrity makeup artist.
Yes.
Brandy Gomez-Duplessis.
And we're drinking.
I always feel like I'm like in a pageant or something.
You are.
I feel like I'm in a pageant.
You're on stage. This
Hi.
is your moment.
I'm Brandy Gomez-Duplessis.
And I like riding horses in my pasture.
Wow. Okay. All right. What are we drinking?
We're drinking Fleur de Paris, which means what, Brandy?
Flowers of
We got some.
I love it.
That's an inside joke, but it's okay.
It's an inside joke.
Beautiful bottle, you guys. Look how cute.
And it's delicious. Oh my god, it's so good.
And we're Makeup and Martinis.
Cheers. This drink is
Oh, it's good.
delicious.
It's good.
Oh my god, I can taste it with some salmon, some fish.
Oh my gosh.
You right?
It's good.
It's a nice one.
I did pay a little more for that bottle.
But it's so worth it.
Hopefully they have an Instagram, because I've had people that don't. But if they do, we'll tag them below, because you guys need one of these.
They need one.
Even just to sit on your counter.
Yeah, y'all need that in your life.
Okay.
So, moving on to why we're really here. Okay, so today it is all about NARS and their foundation.
And a futuristic new product.
Well, it's not a new product.
Oh. And
It's been around for a minute now.
okay.
But it's something that you guys have to have. You really need to have. Some of you may already have it. So we're going to play, and I want to show you like a little trick on how to do something fun, something different to your makeup. Maybe you're already doing it, don't know, but I want to share anyway. This brush is fabulous because it comes in a little case, and it's
This is very
fabulous.
sexual.
Oh, Johnny.
It
What am I
is.
gonna do with you? I love this brush. I love the color. It's very like pearl luminous. It's fabulous. And what I like about it is that you can do your makeup faster. This is the Todd Beauty Brush. You can get it at Ulta. And
For $79?
$79. It comes with a plug so that way you can charge it at night.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
Vibrating, okay.
But it comes in 3 speeds, Johnny. 2, 3.
Give me that 3, girl.
Right,
Blend it.
2, 3.
I'm gonna have to give me one of these now.
It's fabulous. It's really cute. I love it. And I love the fact that you can just do your makeup so much faster.
Look at that. Vibrations, girls.
Yes. Comes with a brush cleaner.
Which is nice.
I just didn't clean it today, but
It's okay.
it comes with a brush cleaner. Alright, so tried it off.
Now you can't yell at me ever. I'm the worst. I clean my brushes, but when I need to use them.
I normally clean mine all the time, but I was playing with it earlier and then I just didn't clean it.
It's cute though.
It's
I
really
need
cute.
one. So I'm using the Velvet Matte Foundation Stick
Okay.
in Fiji, light number 5. I hope this works for my skin tone.
If not, I'm going to hook it up to where it works.
She'll make it work.
That's the
so.
great thing about makeup, guys. If you mess up, it doesn't work, you can always add and adjust to it.
I will say,
love.
like,
What?
so I got a few of these foundations for my kit,
Uh-huh.
and some of them have kind of a yellowy undertone, so it wasn't like working for everybody.
Okay. Did you use this recently?
I tried using it at Fashion Week.
Gotcha. Alright.
So I want to see how it pulls through.
So Johnny would normally have on a primer, moisturizing primer first before I apply.
We just have moisturizer.
So that's good. So what I would do is I would just swipe where.
Now this is medium buildable coverage.
Which I love. So I'm going to put it on the first setting, okay? Which I love.
Oh my god, this is
How does it feel to you?
effing relaxing.
Does it really?
Like I'm at a spa or something. Getting a massage or a facial.
Really?
I love this more than a normal brush. Oh my god.
So that's one cover. I want to give him a little bit more coverage because I'm a coverage girl.
Full.
I like full.
Use the full stick.
So I'm going to go back in. I'm just going to add a little
working
bit more.
with my skin?
No, it's actually looking really good.
Okay.
That NARS is coming through. Okay. So
Oh my gosh, it's like my wedding foundation. I think I found it.
there you go. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use Benefit, their blush. I love this one. It's a cream.
It's a cream. This one's called Majorette.
And I love it because you can build it. So I can make it really like very light, effortless looking, or I can go in and I can beat your face with it. It's beautiful.
Oh, there you go. Boom.
I'm going to actually use the brush.
I didn't know it was cream though. I love cream blushes.
So I'm going to go in just like that. Pick up some.
More.
If I feel like I want more pickup, I'm going to go to the second speed with my Michael Todd Beauty Brush. Okay, Johnny.
Hey, Benefit.
So I'm going to start at the hairline and I'm going to swipe it out to his cheeks and almost make like a little L with it.
So are these vibrations supposed to blend it better?
Yes. Faster application. So if I go to the third one, it's almost like, whoops, one swipe. It's blended. I love that.
Oh, that's a pretty shade.
That's a really nice shade on you.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
I love
So
peaches.
now I'm going to do NARS. And look how beautiful that is.
That's gorgeous. Can we get some of that glow?
So I'm going to have fun with it.
Steve Klein, NARS.
Okay.
Have fun with it.
So I'm going to start with the lighter one. Always go with your lighter color first, especially when you're using the same brush. Let's get it in there. And I'm going to go right on that cheekbone. Johnny has great cheekbones. And because it's a cream, it's going to pick it up.
Another cream. I'm dead.
It's gorgeous. It's out of control. Look at that.
Oh, wow. Honey.
So now I'm going to go with that second color, that more vibrant tangerine orange color. This is a really fun look. This is not for everybody. It's only the sexy people, okay?
Looks like it's a little red, too.
I'm going to go again right over that cream. Wow, look at that look.
Okay, I'm living for this brush.
And what I'm doing is, I don't know if you can see, I'm taking the tip of the brush, the side of the brush.
Go up a little more.
Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
So I'm doing it that way.
Okay.
And then I'm
Then
just
use
gonna
the side.
to blend that. Look at that. Look how fun that is.
And I thought it was going to be like
That
harsh,
is really fun.
but it's really pretty.
This is a good one. This is a good look.
And that's a good item to have in your kit. Take pictures and post them, you guys, so you can see it better, but it's really gorgeous. Oh, I just can't even.
Fab, right? So this is just a little fun look. A fun little trick that you guys
You're
can
so
do.
good at cheeks. Like, that's what I was
I love
slacking at.
So right now, you don't have the Michael Todd Beauty Brush, okay? No worries. Use your fingers. Don't use a brush, use your fingers, because your fingers is really going to get in there with that cream, warm it up, and then right away, don't wait, right away start using your fingers again to put on the NARS highlighter, that highlighter gold color.
This is called Vengeful, Stephen Klein.
But I love playing with makeup, and I love putting stuff together. It doesn't always have to be from the same company, the same brand, but it's nice.
Right, because that orange helps it.
Yes.
Sure.
And Johnny likes that type of a look. He loves...
You know, girl.
Yeah,
you know
he
me
loves
so.
like his highlighters. He likes that glow to his skin because he has the best cheekbones ever. And then don't be afraid to put on like certain different color blush colors. It doesn't always have to be pink.
Yeah, like, okay, first off, you would never see me reaching for this color.
No. But on, it's gorgeous
soft.
on. It's very sun-kissed looking.
Yes.
It's a great summer, fun summer look.
Also that brush, what's the name again?
It's from Michael Todd Beauty.
Michael Todd Beauty. You guys, if you can swing this with your wallets, yes.
It's so worth it. And I just love the fact that it has the 3 speeds. I love the fact that I can do makeup now faster. It blends your foundation really well. Look how nice that foundation looks on Johnny.
It looks like I'm bridal ready, y'all.
Yeah. So definitely go to Ulta to get this brush. This is nice. It's definitely worth it. You need it. And it comes with a little plug to charge.
Oh my gosh.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's luxury.
It's a luxurious product.
Something you guys need to just treat yourself to.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that's my tip. My fun look. A fun makeup thing to do. Playing with cream and then putting a powder right on top to really make it pop. Gotta go. See you, bye. And love you, mean it. Subscribe. Yes. Leave a comment.